Hi viewers, today this is my third video. In this video, I am going to explain you about the accountancy definition. During the previous video, what we have discussed here, we discussed about the certain fundamentals of accounting, that is bookkeeping and account, what is the format of account also we discussed very clearly, and accounting definition also we discussed very clearly. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the one more definition, that is accountancy. Bookkeeping, account, accounting, accountancy. These are the four important topics you have to know because of you are the intermediate first year level students. These definitions you have to know, and what are the meanings of these four topics you have to know. So one by one we are going. In a sequence order we are going. So I already told you this is problematic one, but here what will happen? To learn the fundamental, learning of fundamental, knowing of fundamental is very, very necessary. So without fundamental, suppose you direct enter into the problem, suppose I enter into the problem, you get a confusion. So now, listen very carefully my classes here, it will be very useful to you. So accountancy definition. Accountancy refers to the subject knowledge of accounting, which covers rules, regulations, practices, customs, traditions, and some of the accounting concepts and conventions for the financial information purpose. This is the definition given here. AICPA or some of experts are given the definition here. So the accountancy manage the particular business, manage to cover the income and expenditures of the particular business concern. With the income and expenditure of the particular business concern, we know the profit position, profitability of the concern, and also we know the financial position. Means under accountancy concept here, covering what here? To follow the accounting, to record the transactions or to classify the transactions, here needed some rules. Some principles are needed. And some concepts are there. Concepts are like nothing but assumptions are needed, and some traditional customs are needed. Those are called conventions. Later we discuss what are the accounting have some concepts and accounting have some conventions. What are the conventions? What are the rules? We discuss later very clearly. So that by covering all these certain principles, a particular subject is created. It is called accountancy. आपको हिंदी में भी समझा तुम अकाउंटेंसी यानी क्या है? एक सब्जेक्ट है, एक आर्ट है और एक साइंस है. आर्ट भी बोल सकते हैं इसको, आर्ट का सब्जेक्ट भी पकड़ ले सकते हैं इसको, साइंस का भी पकड़ ले सकते हैं. अकाउंटिंग की परफॉर्मेंस करने के लिए एक सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज की ज़रूरत रहता. वो सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज में अकाउंटिंग का रूल्स रहेंगे, कुछ रेगुलेशंस फॉलो करना पड़ता, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स रहते, कुछ पुरानी विरासत की जरिया है बिजनेस को चला रहे, सो कुछ लेन देन की कामों की रिवाज रहता, उसको फॉलो करते हुए जो बना गए सो सब्जेक्ट को अपन वी कैन से हियर accountancy. It is a definition of accountancy. Now we go for accounting functions. Here under in this, I told the definition of accounting. In that definition of accounting, we discussed some of the Ingu forms. How the accounting function can be done. We discussed with a chart. Here first a businessman, after doing the transaction, after doing the economic activity, that to the accounting, he insert a data, that is called input. Input is nothing but a transaction, means it is an economic activity. Okay, one activity has done, one transaction has done. How the transaction take place in the accounting part is a process of accounting. First transaction is recorded. First process of the accounting, function of the accounting is recording the transaction. Recording transaction means here, writing the transaction with the source of a document is called recording transaction. The recording take place in bookkeeping. First, in a chronological order, it's called recording transaction. Means here, merely recording is not. रिकॉर्डिंग विद द सोर्स ऑफ ए डॉक्यूमेंट, द डॉक्यूमेंट यानी एक ट्रांजेक्शन हो गया, फिर वो ट्रांजेक्शन हुआ बोल के लिखने को अपन रिकॉर्डिंग बोलते हैं। लिखना बोले तो खाली लिखना नाट, उसका ट्रांजेक्शन के कुछ ना कुछ तो भी एक एविडेंस रहना, एक प्रूफ रहना। That recording the transaction with the source of document. The source of document may be a voucher, a receipt, or a cash memo, or a bill, or an invoice, whatever it may be. All those are the meaning is same, having one source of document. Next, to come to the classifying. Classifying means here the general meaning of the classifying is dividing dividing and divide karna. Under accounting, whatever the transactions are recorded, the transactions are divided according to the particular nature of the account. Purchase करे, sale करे, rent payment करे. Means these are the three transactions the businessman had done. These transactions are first recorded with the source of document. Later, in that recording, one is purchasing is there, another one is sales is there, another one is paying the rent is there. These three transactions are divided. Purchases taken into the purchase account, means divide kar rahe अपन. Sales are taken into the sales account, means the particular type of transaction has done. Suppose the transaction has repeated again and again, then the transaction has taken into the particular nature of the accounting is called classifying. Means here under the classifying we discuss the ledger, how to divide the transactions and summarize. In the second process, what we discussed here, how the transaction has done, first recorded the transaction and the transaction was divided. Means after making the division there will be so many accounts, so many types of ledgers. Then at the end of the particular accounting period, every businessman wants to know the financial position, wants to know the profitability. Then to the businessman it will become difficulty to, because of all the accounts will be scattered, and knowing the what is the result of purchase and what is the result of sales, so it will be very difficulty. So here summarizing means here all the particular nature of accounting balances are drawing together and taken into one sheet is called summarizing. यानी यहाँ पर क्लासिफाइंग में अपन क्या डिस्कस करें, एक एक पर्टिकुलर नेचर ऑफ द अकाउंट का ट्रांजेक्शन्स को क्या करते हैं, वो अकाउंट में लेते हुए लिखते हुए जाते। जैसा परचेजेस हो गए तो परचेज अकाउंट में लिखना, सेल्स अगर कंप्लीट हुई तो सेल्स में लिखना, रेंट पेमेंट करे तो रेंट में लिखना, सैलरीज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वगैरह, एंड ऑल दिस ट्रांजेक्शन्स आर टेकन इनटू इंडिविजुअल अकाउंट्स, दैट इज क्लासिफाइंग। तो लास्ट को एंड ऑफ द ईयर में बिजनेसमैन को अगर प्रॉफिट कितना आया, मेरे को लॉस आया कि मेरा फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन क्या है, मालूम होने के लिए वो पूरे अकाउंट्स का बैलेंसेस की ज़रूरत रहता। तो जब कितना परेशानी होती है बिजनेसमैन को, पूरा अकाउंट्स को एक जगह लगा के परचेज का बैलेंस कितना है बोल तो परचेज बुक देखना पड़ता, सेल्स का बैलेंस कितना है बोल तो सेल्स का देखना पड़ता, तो वो एक डिफिकल्टी होता बिजनेसमैन को। इसीलिए पूरा अकाउंटेंसी अकाउंट्स का बैलेंसेस को एक शीट में, एक पेपर में ड्रॉ करने को अपन समराइजिंग बोलते हैं। विद दिस समराइजिंग इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस। देन नेक्स्ट इंटरप्रेटिंग। After summarizing the transactions, to know the financial position, every businessman has to make interpretation of the transactions. Means we discuss at later trading account and profit and loss account. Whatever the transactions are related to trading account taken in trading account, and whatever the transactions are related to profit and loss account are taken into profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. That is called interpretation. Again here nothing but a division of the transactions, and come to the analysis of the transactions. Okay, transactions are recorded, balances are made, and totals also made, and making analysis. What type of analysis here? खर्चा कितना हुआ, आमदनी कितना आया, सेल्स कितना करे, फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन क्या है, आगे मैं बिजनेस को चला सकता हूँ नहीं तो नहीं चला सकता हूँ, मेरी प्रेजेंट बिजनेस कंडीशन क्या है, that will be known under analysis. He made a variable analysis. Then he wants to, why the analysis will be made here? Why the analyzing part is here needed here? Because he wants to invest more and more money in the business in the future, suppose. So the what is present analysis is compulsory needed here. And then next come to reporting. Here reporting and communicating. Okay, all the financial information, financial statements are done. After that, these financial statements are needed to some users. That may be businessman himself, customer, banker, government and public. These information, first the accountant or accounting officer report the information to the management. And later after making analysis by the management and the management communicate the information to the banker. बैंक से लोन लेने का है सपोज एक बिजनेसमैन को, वहाँ बैंक वाला आ जाओ चलो लोन ले लो बोल के उतना इजी नहीं देता लोन. बैंक वाला पूछता क्या बोल के, तुम्हारी पिछले साल की फाइनेंशियल डाटा मेरे पास लाओ, यानी तुम्हारी लास्ट ईयर के प्रॉफिट कितना है बताओ मेरे को, तुम्हारे पास असेट्स कितने हैं, तुम्हारे पास लाइबिलिटीज कितने हैं बताओ बोल के उन्होंने कंपल्सरी पूछता. फिर वो जो लास्ट ईयर वाट एवर द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स आर रिकॉर्डेड, वाट एवर द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स आर डन, दोज आर should be communicated to the banker for getting loan, for the government to pay the taxes, for the customer to know the quality of the goods, for the public to invest money in his business. So these are the process of accounting. One is recording the transaction. Second one is classifying the transaction. Once the transaction was recorded, the transaction is divided. And third one is summarizing, means all the transaction particular balances are drawn together in a sheet is called summarizing. Interpreting according to the transaction nature taken into financial statements like a trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet to know the profitability is interpreting. Analyzing the transaction to the management, it is very necessary to analysis further investment purpose or what is the present financial position purpose analysis, and reporting to the management and communicating to the users, accounting users. This is accounting process. The next process is done. Means here there is one product is ready, like accounting is a product is ready, result is output. Okay, under result may be known profit or losses. Okay, right now. So this is now accounting functions and accounting process. Okay, right. I hope you understand that you understood very well. In the next class we discuss some other basic accounting terms. Okay, right. Bye.